Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be showing you an example of how we can use Parallel Cut in HSS. What I'd like to do in this part is to machine this surface and this surface, as well as this surface and this surface. I'll first start off this operation by just choosing these two surfaces, and I'll go into my operation. And in HSS, I'll choose the option of parallel cuts with constant Z. Now, in my geometry, I'll choose this surface as shown here and this surface. Don't forget to always make sure we have the right direction of the surfaces. I'll simply click on OK. Now, in my tool, I'll choose a 6mm bullnose with a 0.5mm radius as my tool. In my levels area, I'll leave it exactly the way it is, and in my toolpath parameters, I'll change my maximum step over to 0.5mm, a half a millimeter as we go along. In my link area, I'll have my gaps along cuts as direct in the large gaps, as well as my link between slices also as direct. If I do save and calculate and run my simulation, you'll note that my toolpath works exactly on this surface over here, giving the perfect cut that I need for that. But I said now that I wanted to add also these two surfaces. So what I'll do is very simple. I'll go back to my geometry, go to define, and continue by selecting this surface and this surface as well. Now when I do save and calculate, you'll note that in my simulation that the toolpath will go across from one side to the next side, and you'll note that when it goes from one edge to the other, it goes directly there. That's because I had in my settings as my gaps to go directly to the next area, and thereby finishing my entire surfaces, all my surface, with one swift cut going across with one entrance and one exit point. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.